Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the Sitting1 Professional Multipad for smartphones. The brand name is Bauer. A lot of people like to get something that is multifunctional, and I think this is one of them. The price range from $28.99 to $40, depends on where you buy it. You can take a look inside to see the product and pictures of what you can do with it. The Sitting1 is a desktop tripod, GoPro mount, a smartphone mount, camera tripod, rechargeable wireless shooter remote, and selfie stick. And I'm sure that you can use it for other purposes. Let's talk about the remote control. Here says that it has a range of 10 meters. So if you want to take a picture with your friends, or maybe you want to take a picture with a nice view, then this remote can be very handy. Let's take a look inside. I just have to remove the stickers on the sides. Okay, there is it. Nice. I don't see the warranty inside. We have the smartphone tripod mount or clamp, the tripod, USB charging cable. This is to add height to the camera or phone to hide the selfie stick, and this is for the GoPro. This is supposed to work with any smartphone, but it's not designed for tablets. I see it comes with a built-in stand, but I don't think I would use it as a stand without a tripod. And it comes with these 3 points to attach it to the tripod. This is the Bluetooth remote control. There is a turn on and off button on the right side and is detachable. The shutter button is where you see the camera icon. Okay, so it has a standard tripod legs. There is a piece here when you open the tripod, but you don't have to remove it, just push it up like this. Now the tripod is stable and I can push that back down. Here is where I can extend it for a selfie stick. And it can be extended from 7.5 inches to 36 inches. It's very good. Now I'm gonna try with my phone, so I'm going to put the smartphone clamp. To avoid accidents, you have to make sure this part is stable. You need to tie this part very well. This is only for landscape position. But if I want to use a portrait position, then I have to put it in this way, which is more convenient because I can rotate it for landscape mode. And I don't have to remove my cell phone all the time. Also, this can be very helpful as a desktop stand because I can switch the position as I wish, especially if I'm watching videos on YouTube, where I have to rotate the screen to search for videos and rotate it again to watch the videos in full screen. Also, if I'm charging my phone, it will not damage my $25 Apple charging cable. My phone is looking good, right? I can also stand it for a better view of my phone, so definitely it does more than any phone stand. I like this product so far. Okay, next is this little guy. This is just to add a little height to your device so you can hide the selfie stick. And the last one is for the GoPro camera. Hope you can see the number 2. One more thing here is that one side is detachable to remove the clamp with the phone together. But to be honest, if I have to remove the phone, I will remove just the phone because the clamp is very bulky. And again, This has a stand if you don't want to use a tripod. Yeah, I think it's okay. But definitely, I can't replace a regular tripod with this one because it's still too small for that, but for a stand and selfies is a good choice. So are you going to get it? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Subscribe for more videos and thank you for your support.